Hi, we're Chris and Tova from Chris and Tova's Amazing Adventures, and we recently drove all the way from Canada to San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua, where our new home is. We spent 1 month traveling south with our 2 bulldogs, Tigger and Penelope, and our rooftop tent. In this video, we'll show you how much it costs for us to do this trip. If you're looking for more detailed information on each border crossing procedure or the campsites we stayed at, you'll find them on our YouTube channel under the Driving Canada to Nicaragua playlist. If you want to see the route that we took, stay tuned, that's next week's video. We did enjoy a few meals in restaurants or had takeout, but the majority of meals were cooked in camp. En route, we spent 4 nights in hotels. 2 in the USA because it was too cold to camp in January, 1 night near the Mexico border, and 1 night in El Salvador. Our last 2 nights on the road, we were in Managua, Nicaragua, and decided to splurge and spend 2 nights at the Intercontinental Hotel, one of the best hotels in the city. The rest of the time, we camped. We spent 21 of 27 nights camping in our rooftop tent. The memories we made on this trip were priceless. We loved it so much that we're heading to Costa Rica for a few months to travel and camp with our dogs. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another adventure. We post a new video every Saturday morning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure in Costa Rica.